What is your dream?
Warning, this video is made as an educational material and contains sexual health content. In this video, let us discuss the structure of a human sperm cell. For a woman to conceive, the female gamete cell or ovum produced in the ovary of a female must unite with the male gamete cell or sperm produced in the testes of a male. During coitus, approximately 200 to 300 million sperm cells are released from the penis. Among them, a single sperm cell moves actively, outpacing the others, and fertilizes the ovum. In this video, we will discuss in detail the structure and function of the sperm cell. Sperm are freely swimming, actively motile, and uniquely flagellated cells that are microscopic in nature. A single sperm cell is approximately 60 micrometers in length and consists of the following parts: head, neck, middle piece, and tail. The head of a sperm cell is piriform-shaped and measures about 4 micrometers in length. Inside the head, the nucleus is a flattened and oval-shaped structure. The nucleus contains condensed chromatids. This condensation provides the sperm cell with the strength to withstand various physical stresses. At the front end of the head, there is a cap-like sharp structure called the acrosome. The acrosome contains proteolytic enzyme hyaluronidase, also known as sperm lysine. This enzyme, during fertilization, helps the sperm penetrate the oocyte membrane, allowing the sperm cell to enter the oocyte. The narrow, funnel-shaped neck region connects the head to the rest of the sperm cell and is referred to as the connecting piece. This region contains 2 centrioles. Proximal centriole is located close to the nucleus, and the distal centriole is positioned slightly farther from the nucleus. The proximal centriole plays a role in the first division of the zygote during cleavage after fertilization. The distal centriole gives rise to the axial filament, which acts as the central axis of the sperm cell. The axial filament begins from the distal centriole and extends through the middle piece to the end of the tail. At the junction of the middle piece and the tail, the axial filament passes through a ring-like structure called the annulus ring. Surrounding the axial filament in the middle piece are mitochondria arranged in a spiral sheath. These are referred to as Nebenken or mitochondrial spiral. These mitochondria generate the energy in the form of ATP required for the movement of the sperm cell. The cytoskeletal structure of the axial filament is made up of microtubules. It consists of 2 central singlet microtubules, surrounded by 9 pairs of doublet microtubules. This arrangement is called the axoneme, and it plays a key role in enabling the movement of the sperm cell. The axial filament extends up to the end of the tail region. Using the energy generated by the mitochondria in the middle piece, the whip-like tail propels the sperm cell forward. Finally, the entire sperm cell is enclosed by a plasma membrane. If you find this video to be useful, please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.
You have to excel in the education.